This is Radiocom, playing a little demolition mode.
We will defeat the mercenaries.
The map is called Shortdust.
I need help here. I need help. Blessing. Bomb has been planted.
Okay, where are they? Very good. That was quick. Usually you don't plant the bomb right away because they usually run in.
We shall rule the day.
Rule the day. Let's see where they are. Oh, he got me.
We've lost the bomb.
Well, that's alright. The object is to get as many kills as you can. To win the game. Okay, where are they? Can't move. I'm stuck. I'd try again. There we go. I got stuck in the wall there for a minute. Alright, let's keep on going. One of the achievements in CSGO is to win 1,000 matches of demolition. Oh, he got me.
I do not see them anymore. Mercenaries left. At our start point.
Alright, where are they?
Only 2 men left.
Again, get as many kills as you can. Where are they?
I am planting the bomb.
Might as well plant the bomb.
One mercenary left, wasting our time.
Oop, I should have been dead there. Alright. Still going alright.
Let's go.
I'm probably still ahead in the number of kills. Alright, where are they? There's one.
One left. I am planting the bomb.
Where is he? Where is he?
Bomb has been planted.
There he is.
We slaughtered our enemies.
Okay, very good. Let's keep it rolling.
Let's go. Let's go.
I'm going. Alright, where are they?
I need help. Nice shooting.
Yeah, lousy shooting. Shotgun you can't fire too fast.
At the landing zone.
There's one.
One left against us.
Okay. At least with a pistol you can fire multiple shots. Always aim for the head when you're using a pistol.
What is it I need help here? Very good shot.
Ah, lousy shot. There we go, headshot.
Only one man left.
Alright.
Today was our day.
It went alright. Not shooting very well tonight.
We will make them cry.
We will make them cry. Alright, where are they? Yep.
Shooting me. I need help. Only one man left. What are you
Whoops,
doing?
sorry.
Planting.
There he is. Got him.
Victory is ours.
Victory is ours. Yeah, not yet.
Let's go, my brothers.
Alright, where are they? Nope, not that great. Alright, we got 3 others. Where are they? There's one. Oh, there's another.
Nice shot, my friend.
Alright, where's the last one? There he is. Very good. I think I killed 3 that round.
Come on, let's go.
I'm going. In Shortdust, there's only one place to plant the bomb. Okay, where are they? Yeah, well, I knew I couldn't get them both. Oh. Alright, where are they? There they are. Lousy shooting. Well, we're still 10-0. That's pretty good. And I'm leading with 16 kills. 15, 16.
This is our day.
Our day. I always go around this way first, because that's usually where I see the terrorist planting the bomb. There he is. That's 3.
At the entry point.
Counter-terrorists win.
Very good. And I won the match.
Good work, guys.
Well, thanks for watching.